that one is live. That one is live. Perfect. 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 Now we can open up Epic Games. Launch. Oh, I need to change something here. Display cups. There you go. So we need to do a few things today. I think we need to build a second tower. So that's the thing that we need to do. We're gonna make here the official first tower and or the first tower that will defend it. What type of game do I want to build? One that can progress with ages or so, something like that. Yeah. So we are going to begin with Spear Guy. Yeah, like that. What I want to do is I want to copy him. I want to add him to the Spear Guy. The Spear Guy will go in here. He will have an attack event, right? This is the shooting mechanic. But for this guy, it'll be different. Age 1, no, let's say Stone Age. Stone. So we're gonna make multiple ages in this game. It's gonna be Stone Age. Then we have metal. No. Yeah, we have the Stone Age. Right, let's look ages of warfare. What are we gonna have an idea? Let me check this shit out. Now we have the Stone Age, Exploration Age, And then we're gonna do um, yeah, let's do a mythic age that there will be mythical creatures because there's a time that nah, because that's too OP, I guess, if I'm doing it right there. Yeah. Imperial age, and then warfare age. So the goal with the game is that you're gonna have upgrades that you can age up your army, right? So first you have Stone Age. You're gonna add the spear guy to the Stone Age. Then you go to the Exploration Age, where you will have um, a little bit more advanced stuff, like guillotines and everything else. Then you have the Imperial Age. It's more or less like swords, bows, um, some spear towers or something. I don't fucking know. Um, Something like that. So, but like the first version I'm going to release is Stone Age first. So I'm gonna make here a new folder. I'm gonna make 4 towers for this age. So we have the spear guy, archer. Um, do we have more? No, because this is the Stone Age, right? Stone guy. You will throw stones. This guy will be the X guy with the really old. You know what I'm gonna rename him X guy. Um, we can add a saber tooth as a tower because that's more or less like that age, right? So we have a saber tooth. Saber tooth, stone guy, primitive. Stone guy, primitive, X guy, saber tooth. Um, what can we have more? The fencer that you can put down there. I will not deal with that one. So we are just gonna use first of all some basic stuff, right? For this for these stuff. But first we need to copy this Stone Age Spearman. No, it's gonna be Stone Guy. Name will change though. Gonna copy him. What the fuck am I doing? This is the table with um, name primitive Adriaan in the fireplace guy. This one will have a mechanic that I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it, but I think I have an idea how to do it though. So that will be good. So we have 4 towers here. And so what we're going to do with our menu for the AI is we're going to content, player stuff, top down widgets in here, right? The loading screen can go away for now. Call this stone thrower, stone thrower, tower 2. We need to have it on the way I want to have it. So let's go to the enemies, the towers, sorry. Sabertooth would be one of the stronger guys. So I think the defensive fireplacer will be the next one. So these are still like normal names, right? I'm gonna add those two too. So we need to write text. Text 1, text here 2. Then we have the primitive x. Primitive x. And there will be pictures though in the future, but for now, and then stable. So I want to make them visible, right? And I want to do with this is more or less, so tile row 1 and tile row 2 will have the first 2 tile rows, and we're gonna call this, if we want to make it a little bit more better in the future, stone edge, stone edge 1. Two. Then these will be, I need to think about this. I'm gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna call this ages. I'm gonna put all I'm gonna move them all there. The reason is then I have them all nice and clear. So the Stone Age. Then we go to the exploration rate age. So that's gonna be this one. Exploration age 1, and then exploration age 2, right? And they are all visible for now. Those are visible, those are hidden. Nice, nice, nice. Then we have 2 more in this part, and we need to add more, of course, but it will be a scroller eventually. So we are going to first add this Imperial Age, age 1, and then material A2. There, it's nice and clear for me now. So what I want to do in this one is want to make them all ready. And every age will have its own type of enemies, I guess, if we really want to. But for now, we are just going to give it like a humanoid vector of the enemy. So we fixed all the ages. Before next release, though. This is the part that I'm making it ready for like Patreon and stuff. And for the first release on Android. So I need to clean stuff up in here. Well, that will be good in the next future. That will be done this week. The game is not even really hard to build. Like the only thing I am gonna struggle with is with the actors, I guess. Right. So first off, we're gonna put all the towers ready to go, I guess. I build them all, I guess, in here. And now I need to have a graph. Gonna make them pretty decent, and it's gonna make Stone Age, Stone Age, Tower of Spawns. Clean this up more or less. And we're gonna give this a color of, let's say, black. Yep. Um, Menu stuff. Oh, a bit bluish in here. We can make that just all red because we want to still change this. I'm gonna make another here with a little bit bigger letters. It's gonna be bluish so we can read it, right? Can be a little bit smaller. Yeah. Menu stuff here. This one will be Stone Age stuff. Stone Age stuff. There will be a win mechanic too for the maps. As long as it's not like infinite mode. So we lose mechanics, then lose stuff. So every time I'm gonna start a blueprint that's not ordered yet, I'm gonna clean that up. So what's this? On-click menu button, on-click close menu. That's all this. We can add that here. On-click tower 1. Perfect. Is this still tower? I'm gonna put that there. Unclick build button. Unclick tower 1. Let's put this to the side here. This is the Stone Age part. And this button is going to get changed of name. So this is when you get changing stuff. Event tick can go away. Event construct. For now, you can go. Wait up. I need to remember that's control, right? This one. This one. Event work. It's mostly begin play bullshit. Hey. Reconstruct can go away. This is all. Yeah, I have an idea how to call this. Round mechanic. Mechanic. This was like a build button. Gonna make this like what money amount. This is for the building. This is the win-lose menu. Okay, we're gonna make this a little bit more organized for myself. So we're gonna get you win-lose stuff, right? Win-lose stuff, menu stuff, construct, around switch stuff, build stuff, right? Then what we have here, everything that has to do with the Stone Age. Then we have here another age, and more or less here another age. This is the bigness of the game it will be. But we have the Stone Age, we have Imperial Age, no, Exploration Age, sorry. So exploration Age. Imperial Age. And we have the Warfare Age, where you have nukes and everything else. Warfare Age. We all know that this is going to be a little bit bigger than you think it would be. That's why we got this much code for it. All the other ages will go underneath it. The reason why I'm doing it like this, looks like a lot of code, but it's still organized. And because of the delays and stuff, I don't want to use events, custom functions. I don't know what's the trouble also of lag in mobile games yet. Like, was event tick the wrong thing to do, or was the delays the wrong thing to do? So tower 1 is going to change its name because tower 1 is going to be, what the fuck was tower 1 or it's going to be the stone guy, right? Stone thrower. Yeah. If I'm hopefully exactly, this is the stone thrower. We're gonna call him stone throwing. We're gonna make this a little bit more better to do though, because in here it will need an actor of class, if you know what I mean, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna put that here. It would still work, but that won't. So we need to rework our, and it's already on TD Tower 1, right? Why don't you want to set? Because there is a possibility, right, to put power placement. We can promote this to a variable, but I don't know why it doesn't accept this. The problem is now, if I remove this, shit will break. But we don't know what's going to break. So there needs to be shit rebuilt in here. It's like I see. So first, okay, we're not going to clean this up yet. Yes, we are. Um, spawn tower, place tower. Those two can be in here. Because we need to change some stuff in a second. Because we want to have it more or less um, No, this will never work anymore. Shit. We need to have a fix for this though in a minute. We will get a fix, but not now. Yeah, this can go bigger. Right. I feel something coming, so I need to go to the toilet in a moment now. So I will be right back. Okay. That's one copy strike richer. Shit. That's a mistake that I only make once, I guess. Whoops, wrong playlist for YouTube. Oopsie doopsie. So we now have this cleaned up. We need to fix out the tower placement because that's broken now, right? So the only thing what we can do is this world location. I need to think about this part though. But I need to do it like this for sure. For now, I need to do it though. So this is will be tower placement. I need to get a world offset here because I need to set that. And I need to set this new location. So it's gonna be more set actor location. Probably in here. Um, gonna be the placement trace, of course. That will follow that one. But that will work again, I guess, probably. But I need to set this location. And what we can do remove this. We need to put this on empty again, if I'm correct. So we put this on empty again. We're gonna set him. Why do we need that place location? There was something here. I don't know even fucking anymore. Even kijken. So when build tower is being placed, we need this function, right? As the last one. So what I want to do every time before he's going back here, right? I want to set the location. The only thing I want to set is doing this, and I can remove that, and I can go to place location. I want to set it here if it's possible to do so, right? I still need to test that in a few moments. Place tower. So what I'm going to do here, every time it traces, right? The same one, will go here. That will be as the final one. Because he will get that one. It will set that place location every time. Why I want that? Because he's calling this on the moment. If I go to the tower, let's say the stone guy. Here, project spawner. This is the shooting mechanic. If I build tower, it will get the placed location. It will be the final one. If I'm correct, this should work perfectly. Again, normally as the last location that I've traced on, and then with the C, right? So we can test that though in a moment. The only thing now is with the building. It's now getting, I need to clean this. No, it's pretty cleaned up, this one though. So this is the stone guy, right? I need to see where he's asking for the data. So this is the start shooting place. For the stoner guy, it will be something different, but this is like our test subject. Reset data, build collision tower, build tower data. Oh no, that was in the blue play UI. Ha ha ha. So the only thing I need now to send to him is the spawn the tower, and I need to set the class in here. Right? So what I can do is promote this to a variable, and we're gonna call this stone age actors. We're going to make this an array. Change variable type, yes sir. Let copy. We need to compile this for now, and we need to put him in there. The reason why I'm going to do this like this is because we're going to make, we have 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. We have here the stone guy. That's 0, exactly 0. Um, we're gonna add here is gonna be, oh, we need to check that shit out. The second one was the primitive X guy. No. Second guy was the fireplacer. The fireplace guy. The third one is the saber-tooth, if I'm correct, or the saber-tooth was the last one. It's the last one. So the primitive X guy is the last. Oh, it's gonna be the third guy, primitive X guy. So there you go. And then we have the saber-tooth as the third index. So we have fourth index. We are now calling it 1. So it's going there, pop, 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 down. So what we can make already in this part is on the do ones, because we need to have this 4 times in the footer. Technically, we can just copy everything here. Technically, right? Technically, correct. In here, 1. 2, 3. So this is all the spawns for the Stone Age. Make this a little bit the same, right? The only thing I need to change now, this is 1, 2, and this should be 3. We can now compile this for now. We have here now Stone Tower. No, bruh. Stone thrower, right? So that needs to be a stone thrower, motherfucker. So stone thrower. We need to make this a variable. This is going to be the fireplacer. Placer. Dire. God damn it, this selection bullshit now. You're too quick, asshole. Primitive. Primitive. X guy. And a saber tooth. Saber tooth. At least I want to have them all with the buttons, but fuck it, we are not going to do that. Compile, Wrath, perfect. So what I want to do, I want to make him in the category Stone Age buttons. So Stone Thrower, and we can now have like the Fireplacer, and we need the Primitive X guy, and we need the Sabertooth. Where are you? Sabertooth, right? So now we have all of those in the same spot. So this one is 1, so this is the fireplacer. So this is more or less clicked in here. Then the primitive X guy unclicked. And the sabertooth unclicked. Bam, bam, and all are now connected with this one. The only thing we don't have is the can do once. This will be reset every... Are you fucking kidding me right now? Can I only do that once? Fuck. How can we fix that? You can call function, but that's the only thing. I want to do it multiple times. How can we do this? We need to think about stuff. Because if I want to, I can send this to multiple things. Oh no, I can't. What can I send to multiple things? What I did. Yeah, you can get more information out of stuff. You can make a function for it, right? With a reset on this. This is custom, add custom event, got money, now build. So what I now want to do is promote this to a variable. Stone age array index. Maybe this would work though. Because see. So that means we can remove this here. Remove this here. Okay, perfect. What we now can do is got money now built like this. Got money now built. We go. This should work. The only thing I now need to do is set this 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? So I first gonna set it on the click. We'll set that first. So that should work. This should all spawn all the towers for the Stone Age. I think it's time to build all the Stone Ages. Okay, so I think I have a name for the game, something like it. Ages of Defense or something. AOD. Ages of Defense. Or Age of Defense. So we have now an actor spawning system. So let me test this though. So it spawns something and it will not build. It will say hello. So it's not following me at the moment. So thought so. We need to work on this though a little bit. So this part would not work anymore. But we need to do this different though. Let's see how far we go now. Okay. So we are now placing again. And he does the pew 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 again because he has no shit. That's not placing at the moment. Well, but the placing for now works. So it should. So I now need to go to the stoner guy because this guy is getting spawned. So this one is looking for being placed. I need to find a. Because he can only be only when he spawns, it's the begin play. So I don't have to worry about that though. See, so this part works again. You see, but why does this not work? Why does he say hello? Build tower. So again, target is TD tower 1. What if um, I think I need to rebuild this part though, but not sure because he's now only saying hello every time I click him. Or why am I doing it like this though? That's stupid. because we are not using the tower placement stuff anymore. One click build button, because this is like, I need to redo this part a little bit for every one of them, because um, we're going to change this though. But let's do this for the Stone Age only for now. Crunch. We need to have it 4 times. Maybe the stupidest thing that there is though, but we need to do it. We need to get some information. That it's being placed at that moment. Give me a moment. I'm gonna make this better for myself, but I want to make this work. Can I not give the one information more on the build button? No, right? No, because this is just the info on the build button on the placement widget. So we need to check that. So we need to see if we can get the information. Is name equal? It's going to be for all 4 of them. We need a name. We're going to do it like this, because we can set it if we want to, right? So is name equal as um, stone. Yeah, let's do stone x, no, stone, fire, small letters please, fire, x, and then stable. But what you can then do is true, add that to a class, and do that 4 times. This is the stone, this is fire, this is x, saber. And then it's going to be all, if I'm correct, it's going to be placing tower. The build tower. think it was, right? I think it was. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. So now I need to send information to that on the click. So let's begin by the stone guy. There is a click button. When I click it, I need to send the information to it. That's stupid. But we can do only on the input touch, right? If this guy touches it, we can, if I'm correct, did I compile it though? No, I did not. This was the stone guy, right? What was the code that we are asking for is just stone, right? Yep, 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 yep. Compile and test this shit out. Okay, we need to check that shit out if it's going there. Okay, wait. I need to go to the toilet again in a few moments. Oh wait, what we can do is like when you spawn him, right? We are setting a name, so we can do create widgets, right? We are going to the placement widgets like that, and then set name to stone in this part down. Maybe that works. I'm struggling a bit, but it doesn't matter. Wait, never being pressed. How did this work beforehand? I'm really, really, really annoyed at the moment. Because they both work. That doesn't matter though. We're gonna do it differently. This was testable. I really need to change that shit. It placed it though, but where the fuck did you place it? Let's try to add more. Yeah, build for the future. So stupid. Thank God I still have the original one. Wait. Yeah, no, you don't. Dumbass. This one. The placement widget. You fucked up. Fuck. I need to call the placing tower first. Wait, let me test. Um, No, it doesn't. Now I'm going to do it twice. It's stupid. I'm gonna just do this. Where is it? Why are you down? What the fuck? I broke my game. I broke it. I fucking broke it. At least I knew I need to build a new game, but now I need to do it for sure. Because we need a name for the game and then we're gonna recreate the project. Fuck. We do. And then we need to fix our systems of spawning, UI, AI, bullshit, and our full rich. So that's what we're going to set up right now. Like in 15 minutes, I need to wake up my girlfriend. But I'm gonna do that off stream. It's gonna be a lot of work. So I'm heading offline right now. I'm gonna think of a name and let's see what I can do. I'm gonna restart the project because I fucked up real bad. But I need to do it step by step by step by step, and make it more or less like I can add things more easily and update it easier. So that's what I'm going to do now. Think of a way, think of a name, and that's it. It's something with age of something. Some stuff will change, some stuff will not, and it will have its final colors. So don't save that shit. We are going to restart that in a few moments. You will guys see me live later today with some Call of Duty, or at least tomorrow with new developer stuff, and with hopefully a better version ready to go. But probably not. Man, that should be like I think Friday or so. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next live stream.